Hey everybody, just wanted to make a quick video showing you how you can reprogram the MegaBlaster project. Now it's actually pretty easy. There's already a USB to serial converter chip, the CH340, built in, and all you have to do is connect the USB port to your computer, and you'll notice there's two jumpers right here. You're going to want to take this jumper, remove it, give me just a second here, oops, and then you're going to want to place that jumper across these two top lines right here. Just like that. Now what you can do is you can turn on the board, and it's going to be in reset mode, but you're going to want to hit the reset button one more time. And now you can go over to Platform I/O, and I'll show that now. So once your board is all set and ready to program, you're going to want to either grab Visual Studio Code or Atom by GitHub. I prefer Visual Studio Code because it seems to run a little bit better, and this is platform independent, so if you want to run it on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, you can do that. And you're also going to need the Platform I/O IDE plugin for VS Code, and I'll link a page that shows you how to install. It's not so bad. So once you are in VS Code and you have Platform I/O installed, you'll notice this little ribbon down here. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit that little home button, and you'll go to a page like this. Now what you're going to want to do is, once you've downloaded the firmware from GitHub, you can actually just open the project right here, and it should import all the settings and be ready. Now I've already done that, so I can open it here, and I'm going to go into the main.cpp, and here is the source code for the MegaBlaster. Now, once your board is all plugged in and you have the jumper set and you hit the reset button, all you have to do is hit this little button right here. Give it a second to compile. And if you see that it's uploading, then you've done everything right. Give it just a second and you should see the screen light up. And if everything is programmed correctly and you have some music on your SD card, it should start playing. Now, in order for you to keep this program on the board, you're going to have to replace the jumper back to its original position. Once you do that, the firmware will stay on there and you're good to go.